Hey there, welcome to my little creative corner. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am making a beautiful flower pot inspired by Pinterest. I found this design and thought, why not create my own version? Let's get started. I am shaping the pot, rolling out the clay, forming the base, smoothing out the edges. I love working with cold porcelain because it's soft, easy to mold, and gives a smooth finish. Now add some decorative details to give it a unique touch. And that's it. The flower pot is done. Time to let it dry. After finishing the flower pot, I took a little break on the stair, just enjoying some fresh air. And guess what? I saw this adorable little cat just sitting there looking so peaceful and give me an idea. Why not make a clay version of this cute cat? So now I am making a teeny clay cat, starting with the head, adding little ear, of course that tail. I want this cat to have a relaxed, cute expression, just like the one I saw. Now for the fun part, painting the cat's face. Adding some details, a little blush on the cheeks, and now it's look like even cuter. And that's it. A Pinterest inspired flower pot and an unexpected little cat. Two creative projects in one day. I love how they turned out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative art. See you in the next one. Bye bye.